Oldham Ramblers volunteer footpath clearance and maintenance team were out again the week before last. The group was not out last week. When? Tuesday, the 2nd of July 2024. Where? Daisy Nook Garden Centre, Stannybrook Road, Daisy Nook Woodhouses, Oldham, M35 9WJ, working on FP52 Oldham, FP47 Failsworth, and the Oldham Way. What? The group was out multitasking the week before last, working on 2 footpaths and the Oldham Way. We recce'd the footpaths, cut back trees, trimmed and cleared vegetation. On the Oldham Way, we removed old waymarker posts, installed 5 new waymarker posts, and cut back tree obstruction. I didn't manage to get any photographs of the works on FP52 and FP47 due to a very late finish on the Oldham Way. Who? 8 volunteers out this week. Ken, Bob, Paul, Mike, Keith, Neil, Tony and Martin. A big thank you to all the volunteers and thank you for watching. Keep walking.